My name is Clayton Gasaway and I'm in 11th grade. Like a good lifelong skill that you can always fall back on if something doesn't work out. Basically, I just started welding. This is my first year, and we started out at school with just some lines. Then eventually we got introduced to the program, and Tip, their best welder at IMT, like their main guy, came and introduced us to all this and what's going to go on. And after a few weeks of practicing here and learning, we started going to IMT, had a bunch of safety training, and then started welding there, like T-joints and vertical downs, circles, just learning more difficult stuff. Usually we leave about 10-20 minutes after lunch, and then we get back about 3:45 and get there, clock in, and then just kind of go to our stations and do our thing. Maybe easier in college because most of the stuff that's already going to be thrown at you. Then more stations at IMT, so you can get more people in. It's a great opportunity for anyone to take.